Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix connection problems with Diablo Immortal. So if you downloaded Diablo Immortal and you can't play because when you try to join the world, it says that there's a connection problem. There's actually many ways that could be broken and causing that, but I'm just gonna show you a few ways you can fix that. So the first one is to check for updates for this app, and the fastest way is to go for the Google Play Store, and here's Diablo Immortal. Simply you need to find it, and when you find it, and there's only play right here, that means your game is updated and you'll need to look for another fix. The second option is to clear the app cache. So move to the settings, find apps, go for the Diablo Immortal, and right here you will need to clear the cache for the app. Go for storage and cache and select clear cache. You can also try clearing the storage. Next option is to change automatic date and time in your phone settings, because that may cause the problem as well. So you'll need to open your phone settings and now navigate to your system, find the date and time, and make sure that set time automatically is enabled, because having different date or year or time may cause some problems. And lastly, if you have this problem, the last fix for me would be to uninstall and just reinstall your game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.